Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to cut drywall for plumbing. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered drill and a drill bit. Nice thing about drywall cutting is it cuts very easy, so you can use pretty much anything that you have laying around. So after you determine where you want your hole to be, just take your drill bit, put it right in the middle, and punch it through there. Now it's a little small, so all I'm going to do is use it almost like a roto zip. Cut my hole right out. Then you can go ahead and slide your plumbing right through. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to cut holes in your drywall for plumbing. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.